Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. In this video, we're going to talk about the milestones of filming experimental horror in the Philippines during COVID-19. So let's get started. So it looks like the masks and the face shields are here to stay, at least here in the Philippines. The masks have become mandatory, and the face shields are becoming mandatory very soon here in the Philippine Islands. Shooting any type of movie, especially experimental horror film, which is my forte, we have to wait until further notice until we can get cast and crew together, of course. Understanding I've originally already set my first production for 2023, so it's really not too much of a problem for me so far. But during filming, using your special effects, stunt work, light stunt work, this type of thing, mechanical effects, you're going to need a good handful of crew to help you film, as well as a crew to help out the actors and actresses who are wearing the props. When I mean wearing the props, if it's someone's getting chopped in the head or a throat cut scene, things like that, until you can use the prosthetics, you're going to use the mechanical knife is what you're going to use. And they're going to have to, the crew members are going to have to hold and help support the actor, actress in some instances so that they will, the frames and the different shots will not look indifferent. That type of thing. Maybe they could be off balance, and that type of thing during the scene. And you want to make sure that they're going to be all right as well. So that's one thing you're definitely going to need, all the help you can get with a crew. Also, your locations. Again, I enjoyed the abandoned houses and and that type of thing. As you can see back here, I got this nice grungy looking place, which makes me excited to film. And make sure that you definitely you're going to be surprised to find out how much of a great fan base that you're going to have, as far as this genre goes in experimental horror. Get your name out there as quickly as possible, and that type of thing. It doesn't make a difference who you are and who you've worked with in the past. You're still going to need a good fan base, and that type of thing. All right, so I hope this helps out, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel, put a like on my videos. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.